Hey guys, part 2 of my office makeover. Although there has not been much making over happening. It's been a crazy month. I have been drained of all energy to do anything because it started off with me getting the flu, which was one hell of a week. And they say that it takes so much for you to get your energy back after, which I really didn't have much energy to begin with. So that was pretty brutal. I did, however, get a light therapy lamp just a couple weeks ago, and I highly suggest it. I'm gonna put the one I got in the description below. It does wonders. I wish I had known about it. Well, I wish I had bought it. I knew about it. I've heard about them, but it's one of those things where you're like, okay, whatever. I wish I had gotten it, in the fall before all of this shit came crashing down for me. I just feel like I would have managed the winter a lot better. But can't dwell on that. So things are better. It is amazing. Like I said, I usually use it between 20 and 40 minutes when I'm either eating breakfast or lunch. They suggest not using it later in the day because it can keep you from falling asleep. Speaking of sleep, I was sleeping terribly for a long time. I usually take 10 milligrams of CBD oil in addition to my anxiety meds and stuff like that, and it helps me with those things as well. But I upped it to 15 milligrams. I had tried 20 before, but it was giving me wicked vivid dreams, and that's exhausting. Like, I wouldn't wish it on anyone. So the 15 milligrams has been amazing, and I love it. I really do. I've been sleeping like a baby. So right now we are in the midst of social distancing, self-isolation, all that deal. I guess it's technically day 2 of that in the United States. As of today in Maryland at 5 p.m., they are shutting down movie theaters, bars, restaurants, and gyms. I totally agree with this. I know that a lot of restaurants are still doing carry-out or delivery, which is awesome. I strongly believe in this because I have read so many things where these dumb young people are like, I'm healthy and young and I'm gonna go wherever I want and do whatever I want and no one can stop me. And you're the reason why we can't have nice things and we're shutting everything down. So here we are. Stay inside if you can. I'm very fortunate. My husband is able to work from home. I can work from home. I do work from home. So it's been all right so far. The only thing is when you're told you can't go somewhere or do anything, there's something a little unsettling about that. I'm normally fine with not going anywhere as long as it's my choice, But I'm seeing so many amazing and uplifting things that people are doing for each other during this time, and it's truly wonderful to see. So if anything comes from this, it's that there really are great people in this world, and we can all come together and hopefully get through this stronger on the other side and not have more people succumb to this. So yes. What else has been going on? Sam and I got tattooed this weekend. I got more added to my rose. I wasn't really happy with it. Wasn't committed to ruining my life before, and now I'm just simply there. We also got pot and kettle tattoos. I got a kettle on my leg and he got a pot on his inner arm. We are super hypocritical with each other, and I'm always like, okay, pot, whatever. It kind of diffuses some fights we'll have if we're getting annoyed with each other about that too. So I love it. Funny thing, I haven't been on here in so long that I have worn this shirt twice since I actually recorded myself wearing it in the video I'm including in this. So my husband and I got the couch out of my office, and I very poorly put together an IKEA shelf. Normally there are letters on the IKEA shelf parts, and I don't know if they felt like this was way too easy. No one would need to know, you know, what part is what, but I definitely screwed up twice. Put something on backwards, one of the shelves, so the unfinished part was exposed. I was like, it's alright, move on. And I did, and I was like, I'll just paint it black, it'll be artsy. Thought I could paint it like nicely, and it is the sloppiest thing ever because I realized very quickly how hard that would be and how much more time would be wasted than if I just taken the whole thing apart and redone it. But it'll be behind my desk. I don't really care. It looks fine. It works. So there's that. These next 2 weeks I will actually be organizing and cleaning this office because I need to. So third video will actually be change. But I do have lots of things that are going to be going up on my walls. I would love it if you would share with me some of your favorite small businesses that have any kind of artwork or anything that can go on the walls and make my space better. I'm going to share with you the small businesses that I've purchased those from, just so that you can get them if you want. The first thing though is something that I created, and I suggest this for a lot of people who have a space that they work in and are by themselves a lot. It's a board of things that make me happy, things that are things like history of like my relationship with Sam, friends stuff, like just things that inspire me. A little inspiration board. I don't know if any of you play Cards Against Humanity, but years ago this was a part of their, they had a bunch of stickers, a part of their holiday pack, and they were shit, fuck, vagina. I think there was a fourth one. I don't remember. It's my mom and I way back when I was super little. Anyway, Sam and I's babies. Things that really just make me happy. So, very important to have. And then some things from some small businesses. This is a wood print, printed on a very thin piece of wood paper from Jessie. It says everything will be okay. I love it. Jessie has some amazing stuff, and I've shared her work a lot on Instagram if you follow me. This is from my friend Anne-Marie. I don't know if she is still making these. Her business is 3 Leaves Go. So I'll put her thing below and check her out. Then one of my most prized possessions was a gift from my mother this past Christmas, and it is from my online friend Taylor Lee. She is an amazing artist, and this baby has yellow calories because that's what my husband and I had at our wedding. It breaks my heart. I love it so much, and I am so fortunate to have something of hers, so you should check her out. Her current work is to die for. All of it is, but you know. And lastly, what I have from Stay Home Club, yes. I'm gonna get a one of the hangers that the kind that's magnetic, and it'll go on top and the bottom to kind of weigh it down. Anyway, I would love it if you would share with me anything wonderful, because I love supporting small businesses and I need more stuff for this office. Also, I am in the process of getting my mugs back in the shop and a new design as well. There is a little bit of an issue with the size of the new design, so I'm seeing if it can be done. If not, either have to change it or find something else to put it on. So if you like anything else other than glass mugs, like tumblers or whatever, let me know below, please. And yeah, here is a terrible video. Here. Which way? Anyway, here is a terrible video of Sam and I getting this freaking couch out of my office, and then me really poorly putting this IKEA thing together in the same shirt. Anyway, enjoy. So I promise that the next video will be a trillion times more exciting, and that I will actually have things done in this room. I have the next 2 weeks to get my ass in gear. So subscribe so that you can know when number 3 comes. Thanks for watching.